Hello, it's been a while since I've made a video on this channel. Sorry. You might remember around a year ago where I made this video here where I showcased a few transport games on Roblox which got an April Fool's update. You should totally go and watch it after this video. We're doing the same thing today with the same games as the last video. Firstly, starting off with Stepford County Railway. In my opinion, this is probably one of the worst updates for April Fools. Like, come on man, really? Literally, all they did was just extend Airlink to Lynn. That's it, nothing else. Pretty boring. Anyways, moving on. Next up, we'll be having a look at British Railway. British Railway made an update, which was version 1.3.3W, aka Maxwell's military update. What? This update came along with some new additions. These are the Class 86s that were sent to Bulgaria, the Class 87, the Mark II coach, and even an Ordnance BL 18 Mark I howitzer on truck railway wagon as well. That was a mouthful, but fair enough. By the way, that wagon that I just mentioned, it also has a working cannon, and with the next clip I'm about to show, it kind of speaks for itself. And finally, we'll be having a look at Steam Age, which has been renamed to Space Age for this update. As always, there's a lot of stuff to do in Steam Age whenever April Fools comes around. I'm not going to bore you with everything that I've shown in previous videos on this game, and will instead show you some new stuff that's been added into this update. The entire map basically just got invaded by the aliens from outer space, hence the name Space Age. Some extra trains and random stuff got added as well, such as pizza delivery, police class 37, the one that was used in the advert, paper train, and the flying saucer. There were also some other new stuff that was added to the map as well, such as an alien playing with his Hornby train set, only to find out that it has problems, and you can even send your trains to space. Not exaggerating. Well, almost send it to space. That's pretty much everything that I have to say. Thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you're new here. And until next time, goodbye for now.